Good morning students. Today in video 22 of our chapter unit 7 P block elements, group 18 elements, what we are discussing, our topic. In that we are going to discuss about xenon-oxygen compounds. Okay, now this will be the last video of explanation of this chapter, because we have completed most of the topic. In the next video, or I will send a PDF in which question answer from your NCERT textbook will be given to you. Understood? Okay, so be careful in that, and whatever things I write on board, please you also write down in your fair books. Okay, now just see xenon-oxygen compounds. Okay, when we talk about xenon-oxygen compound, xenon-oxygen compound can be prepared by hydrolysis. Preparation of xenon-oxygen compounds. Clear? Now they can be prepared by hydrolysis, what we call it a simple word, hydrolysis of HCF4 and HCF6 gives HCO5. HCO3, sorry, as follows. Clear? Now in this case, you can write down. Okay, now here see, when we write the equation, I think you can see in the screen, 6HCF4 plus 12H2O gives you Xe plus XeO3 plus what you call it as HF. This is very important. HF plus O2. Okay, now 4 here 2 will be there, no? 2 is 24. Okay, so here we got here XeO3 in this case. Now this XeO3, you can see here, is also formed in when I use HCF6 for a reaction. H2O gives you XeO3. Okay, now XeO3 plus HF. Clear? Here if you balance it, it will be 3H2O 4. So here it will be, in this case, 6HF, 6 hydrogen. Okay, think some mistake is there, plus 6HF. Okay, just a minute. No, it is right. 6HF. Chlorine is 6 here, H6 will come. Okay, now the next part, what we say here, partial hydrolysis. What is the word? Partial hydrolysis. Partial hydrolysis of HCF4 of HCF6 gives xenon fluorides, xenoxyfluoride, like this. Okay, this is xenoxyfluoride. Okay, and this another one also will give HCO2F2 as follows. Clear? So xenon-oxygen compounds, these are the things what we have found. First reaction, second reaction, and another 2 reactions are there in this case also. So HCF6 plus H2O. Okay, same way XeF6 plus 2H2O. Okay, partial hydrolysis I will write here. Partial hydrolysis. Here also partial hydrolysis. Clear? Partial hydrolysis if you do in this case. Okay, now what you will get? You will get here XeOF4. Okay, that's what we have written there, and here XeO2F2. Clear? Now if you see two molecules of water are required, so here it will be 2HF and here it will be 4HF. Okay, so this one partial what we say. Okay, now XeO3 when we say is a colorless explosive solid. XeO3 is colorless explosive solid. Understood this part? Then now we will discuss about XeOF4 oxychloride. Now what is Xenon-Oxychloride? Is a colorless volatile liquid, and it is square pyramidal molecular structure. Now square pyramidal molecular structure. Okay, so this was all about xenon-oxyfluoride compounds, how to prepare and what to remember. These are all xenon-oxygen compounds, but in this fluorine is there, it can be removed later on, what we say. Now we will discuss about the structure of these two structures we are going to discuss next. Okay, so just a minute. These all things you can write down by pausing the video. Because you can write down this in your pair book. This is very important topics because we have a few topics are only there in group 16. Now structure of xenon-oxygen compound. Okay. Now when we talk about it has what you call it as pyramidal structure. What is the word given there? Pyramidal structure as follows. That is XeO3 and XeOF4. Okay, pyramidal structure. Okay, now when we talk about this pyramidal structure, you can easily see that here. First one I draw of Xe. So XeO3, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and one lone pair. So you can see this is the form of pyramid, what is formed like this. Okay, pyramidal. Okay, so this is pyramidal structure of XeO3. Same way when we draw of XeOF4. Okay, so it is also what we call it as XeFO4 is square pyramidal. What is it? Square pyramidal. Okay, now Xe, here double bond O, and then here F, and F. Okay, so then one lone pair is left out, that will come here. So if I draw like this, square pyramidal, from here to here, like this, and like this is square pyramidal, what we say. Understood? So So don't forget this all things, structures and all. So this was all about what you call it as Xenon-Oxygen compounds. Okay, so here we come to an end of our topics of this what we say. Okay, so P block elements, here we come to an end. This is our last video of P block element. Maybe some reason, maybe there were some queries maybe there. I will just upload some few new videos also regarding the queries and okay. So till then, write down all the things what is written on board in your fair book for your ready reference. It will be very helpful during your exam. Otherwise, you have problem. When you write, you will practice reading also. Read and write. So it is very easy for you to prepare for your exam. Now next exams, whatever will be there, this one will be easy. And see all the previous video, because many students still not watching the previous videos what I said. Previous means this is the 20-second video, just the imaging. So that all previous video which are not being watched, just don't click on the video and stop, so that view will be there, because we come to know from the statistic that who is watching full video, who is watching half video. Clear? But we don't want to specify the name of the students who do this. Is it clear? So better watch the video. It is for you only, not for us, because you are going to give exam. Clear? In these chapters, too many things are there which you have to remember. So if you don't write and practice, no, you will never remember. You cannot mug up this. So write it down in a rough piece of page, what we call, and then you can keep on practicing like this. This one also, organic also. Okay, the numericals chapter also. Okay, so thank you very much. Next time we'll continue with the other chapter or other video of this chapter or other chapter. Thank you.